We guide you through how to turn off Face ID on your iPhone and require a passcode to unlock your device. Start by opening your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your current passcode to access the settings. Once inside, you'll see multiple options where Face ID is used like iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Wallet, and Password. Autofill to completely disable Face ID for unlocking your phone. Simply toggle off iPhone Unlock, and if you want to fully turn off Face ID, scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. Then confirm your action. After doing this, your iPhone will no longer use facial recognition and will always require your passcode to unlock, which can be helpful and useful for added privacy or if Face ID is not working properly. Make sure your passcode is something secure but easy for you to remember.